Hey everyone, we're back with another quick green pool cleaning video, and I'm going to give you some instructions in case your pool is green. If you like videos like this and you haven't already subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss it when I post another video. And check out my other videos. I have a lot of green pool cleaning videos. This is a really small pool. It's very shallow. I'm going to go with 5 gallons of liquid chlorine. Now that's a little overkill. Actually, that's a lot overkill, but I want to do this as quickly as possible for this new customer. So what we're going to do is, I've already checked the pH. You're going to want to make sure the pH is not high. If it is, go ahead and lower it down with muriatic acid. I'm going to put about probably 3 or 4 tablets in the chlorinator, and I'm going to set it to run 24 hours. I'm going to come back tomorrow and I'm going to show you what it looks like. The main thing is making sure that the stabilizer is good. You don't want it too high. You want to make sure your filters are cleaned, and then you want to get in the liquid or granular chlorine as quickly as possible. I'm going to have to brush the pool first. Then I'm going to put the liquid chlorine, and then I'll see you tomorrow when I come back to see what it looks like. And by the way, this has a cartridge filter, so you're going to want to clean it before and after the green pool cleaning. Okay, so we're back, and it hasn't actually even been 24 hours. We're probably about 2 or 3 hours shy of 24 hours. And this is just from balancing the pH, adding chlorine tablets, and then adding liquid chlorine. So what's going to happen is the filter needs to be cleaned again, and then just running it around the clock will help speed this up. But other than that, this is really going to be one of the last visits that I need at this pool. I'm going to use a net to net the top, and then I'm going to actually use my hammerhead vacuum to just vacuum some of the leaves and stuff that's on the bottom. So here's a view of the final results from the pool. It's looking really good. And this is just a handful of days after the last part of the video. We just let it filter and filter and filter. Just remember to clean the filters. That's going to be super important. All right, well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next videos.